Yes. So good evening, my dear Chintos. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yes. How are you doing, my dear Chintos? How are you? So வணக்கம். Yes. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது locus. What is that? Locus. You all have to focus. Arey Chintu, you all have to focus. We are going to discuss today what the locus. Sir, locus என்ன சார் அர்த்தமே? Locus meaning என்ன? So எப்படி locus will be playing a major role in JEE preparation. And the JEE exam la எத்தனை questions வந்துரும்? I'll tell you that. Okay வா? JEE la minimum 3 to 4 questions வருடா. 3 to 4 questions locus க்கு மேல தான். சார் என்ன சார் ரொம்ப ஜோக் பண்றீங்க சார்? locus க்கு மேல 3 to 4 questions ஆ? Yes. You heard it right? Yes. Sir, இப்போ so before getting into that before we start, one small thing okay, நம்மளோட JEE Vedantu JEE Vaathi channel la free crash course போயிட்டு இருக்குடா. Those who are watching for the first time, so Ignite JEE 2027 and ஒரு free crash course போயிட்டு இருக்குடா. So physics, math, chemistry, all of the teachers, all the teachers are taking the classes regularly. So மறக்காம கண்டிப்பா you all have to enroll for it. You know what? The beauty of this crash course is that it is for free of cost. So it's free of cost. And now listen the class. If you want, yes. See. How many charts? Okay, va. Sir, at the free crash course ki enroll பண்ணனும்னா நீ என்ன பண்ணனும்? Just have to click on the link given in the description of this video. இந்த வீடியோக்கு கீழ descriptionல ஒரு லிங்க் இருக்கும்டா. அந்த லிங்க் டிக் பண்ணி கிளிக் பண்ணா ஏய் சிந்து கிளிக்ரா கிளிக் பண்ணா இப்படி ஓபன் ஆயிரும்டா. So this is how the dashboard looks like. So in the dashboard la நீங்க buy now and click பண்ணா okay, before that you just need to log in with your mobile and whatever the OTP, mobile number and OTP enter panna, you will be getting into this platform. And guys, see, so these are the features. You have to go through it detailedly. You can just explore this. And math, physics and chemistry, everything will be there. 24/7 doubt access facility. At the same time, JEE mock test January la you have an exam, right? So adukku mock test we are going to start. Okay, and a free mock test and a beautiful content will be provided in this particular channel. Sariya. And also guys, marakama those who have not enrolled for this, please do enroll and please do share with your friends, those who are in needy, those who are not in a position to afford for JEE coaching and all that. So avarku romba useful content and romba useful lectures actually. Okay va. And in the time la, especially in the time la, in our content is like wa mari irukonda. So please do share with your friends. And yes, so why late, then let's get into the show now. So before that, I just want to read your chart. Okay, how do I read the chart? Okay, I have to go back to this and yes, locus focus. Wait. Chintu. I need to, yes, got this over here. Yeah. Okay, ஒரே ஒரு செகண்டா. Yes. Good evening everyone. Good evening. So வணக்கம். Yes. Okay வா. Yes. Good evening Harshita. Good evening Clement. Good evening Madan. There are so many good evenings. Good evening Chintu. Good evening. ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? Are you all ready, my dear Chintus? Guys, என்னோட ஆடியோ வீடியோ எல்லாமே கிளியரா இருக்குடா? என்னோட ஆடியோ கிளியரா இருக்கா? Let me know in the chat box if you all can hear me. என்னோட ஆடியோ வீடியோ எல்லாமே கிளியரா இருக்கா? Chat boxல டக் ஃபட்டாஃபட் please do confirm. Do confirm please. Let me see how many of you are listening in the class. Yes. Everything is clear, right? ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? Shall we begin? Yes. Guys, உங்களுக்கு free crash course access வேணும்னா கண்டிப்பா அவரோட content வேணும்னா first நீ இந்த channel subscribe பண்ணணும்டா. Okay, that is the first and primary thing you all have to do. சரியா? Yes, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, 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 yes. Sir, course is valid till you clear the JEE exam. Clement, this course is valid till you clear the JEE exam. உங்களோட இஷ்டத்துக்கு எப்போ வேணுமோ you can just open the YouTube and then watch all the recording. If you want to watch tonight, you can watch it. If you want to watch after January till your JEE exam, you can just watch whenever you want. So yeah, so free content, it will be always there in our JEE Vaathi channel. So yeah, so please go through it. Yes. Course is valid till you clear the JEE exam. அதான் சொல்றேன். Till you clear the JEE exam, this will be valid. You can just, this will be always there in the channel. Okay, wow. எப்போ வேணுமோ just go through it and then learn whatever you want. Okay, wow. Yes. Let's get into the show now. Shall we begin? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, first, let us discuss what is locus. Locus nena sir ardame. So basically, I'll tell you what is locus. Guys, sir, நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி locus ல இருந்து 3 to 4 questions வருமா? ஆமா. 3 to 4 questions வந்துருண்டா. Sir, what are they? Firstly, coordinate geometry, like whatever you study. Coordinate geometry, whatever you study, like straight lines, circles, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. All these 5 chapters are basically locus. They come under locus. Okay, va? Sir, what is the locus base? Yes, 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 yes. 11th பசங்களுக்காகவே இது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஆயே. ஓகேவா? So those who have not started coordinate geometry, அவருக்கு ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான லெக்சர் இது. ஓகேவா? So those who are already done with coordinate geometry, it's fine. 12th பசங்களுக்கு this you need to understand. Based on the locus also we get PYQ. JEE questions வந்துருடா. ஓகேவா? Yes or no? Pure locus with the help of straight lines, circles, ellipse and hyperbola. Yes. Everything we study is a locus. Straight lines, circles, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Yes, everything is a locus. That's what I'm saying. Okay, va? Sir, eppadi sir? Firstly, let me understand what exactly the locus is all about. Locus nenna. Locus is nothing but it's a moving point basically. Okay, va? If you trace the path of a moving point, if you trace a path of the moving point, that tracing path will be called as what basically? The traced path will be called as what? Locus. Sir, எனக்கு புரியல sir. Look at the board. I'll tell you, I'll make you understand in a very simple language. Listen to the class. Sir, for example, ஒரு point இப்படி இங்க ஒரு point இருக்குடா. இந்த point இப்படி இருக்குடா, ஓகேவா? This point, this can move in any direction, but this can move like this. The point can be move like this. The point can move like this. Are you getting the point? The point can move this way. The point can move this way. Are you getting the point? The point can move any direction. Are you getting the point? நம்மளோட சிலபஸ்ல the point will be moving either this direction, this way or this way or this way or this way or this way. நம்மளோட சிலபஸ்ல so we have only circles, straight lines, circles, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. So sir, why should the point move in these directions only? Why the point should move in these shapes only? Look at the board. Sir, நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி sir, point can move this way also, right? Why the point has to move in a circular path? Why the point has to move in a parabolic path? Why the point has to move in elliptical path? Yes, sir, reason. Listen to the class. Guys, why not the point can move like this? Guys, point can move in any way. உங்களோட இஷ்டத்துக்கு அந்த பாயிண்டோட இஷ்டத்துக்கு it can move any direction. But yes, so why can't the point move like this? This is also one path, right? So point is starting from here and it can move anyway. இப்படி move பண்ணிக்கலாம் இல்லையா? So why the point is moving only in these 5 shapes? Guys, that is what I'm telling you. உங்களோட JEE ல you will be getting question such a way that your point will move either this or this or this or this or this. Point will not move like this. பைத்தியமான shapes வராது. So point will move either straight or circular path or elliptical path or parabolic path or hyperbolic path. Okay, va? Your questions will be designed such a way that it moves in these 5 shapes. Are you getting the point? Yes, sir. Sir, நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஒரு planeல, okay va? Locus என்னன்னா basically there is a moving point. So that point which directionல move ஆயிட்டு இருக்குடா? Point இப்படி move ஆயிட்டு இருக்கா? Point இப்படி straight move ஆயிட்டு இருக்கா? Point வந்து circular shapeல move ஆயிட்டு இருக்கா? Point parabolic shapeல move ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு? என்ன shapeல, என்ன directionல point move ஆயிட்டு இருக்கோ அது அந்த tracing, அந்த path tracing is what basically locus is all about. Okay, va? Point can move this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Okay, va? Sir, it can move this way also, but we don't study this. What is this? We don't know. This is we don't even study this in mathematics. What is this? Sir, I know this is one basically what? Continuous path. What continuous path? So we don't study all this, in mathematics now. I mean, in our syllabus, JEE syllabus, we don't study. We study only this. So we talk about only this 5 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, yeah, yes, sir. Sir, basically that is what I'm telling you. Listen to the class, sir. It is a trace. I mean, it is a path or curve traced by a moving point under given conditions and restrictions. Okay, wow. You will be given certain conditions. You will be following some conditions. When that point is moving in a plane, we will be following some conditions, and the conditions based panni we will be getting one locus equation. That can be straight line, that can be circle, that can be parabola, that can be ellipse, that can be hyperbola also. சரியா? Sir, now ஒரு question பார்த்தா நமக்கு ஐடியா வந்துரும்டா பாரு. Sir, firstly I'll tell you best 4 steps. Okay, wow. I'll tell you step by step, a solution, a procedure to find out locus based questions. சரியா? Sir, locus based if I get any question, நமக்கு எப்பவுமே 4 step follow பண்ணனும்டா. Step number 1 என்ன பாரு. So assume the coordinates of the point whose locus to be found as h comma k. Okay, first step என்ன பண்ணனும்? See, for example, ஒரு point oda locus நீங்க find out பண்ண போறீங்கடா. அந்த point oda coordinates you need to consider as h comma k. That is the first number. Okay, that is the step number 1. So நல்லா இருக்கு. Fine. Sir, இப்போ I'll tell you one logic. Listen to the class. This is step number 1. Step number 2 என்ன sir? Sir, write the given condition in mathematical form involving h and k. Sir, what do you mean by that? So we need to write the mathematical condition. Involving h and k. So you assume the coordinates of the point as h comma k, and in the point coordinates base panni you need to write a mathematical equation. Sir, enna sir mathematical condition? How do we write? And the mathematical condition, okay va, and the mathematical condition form பண்றதுக்கு you will be given with the data in the question. Questionல data will be mentioned, so don't worry about it. Okay va? Yes. Now step number 3 பாத்தீங்கன்னா eliminate any variable or eliminate any other variables if you have any. Okay va? Other than h comma k, if you have any other variables, let's say theta, alpha, t, இந்த மாதிரி variables வந்துரும்டா. அந்த variables இருந்தா அது eliminate பண்ணி we need to proceed further. Sir, what do you mean by this? Guys, whenever we are talking about these steps தான் நமக்கு எதுவுமே புரியாது. ஒரு question பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும். சரியா? Yes. So step number 4, in the final step, replace h by x, k by y in the result obtained in the step number 3. The equations obtained is the locus of the point which moves under some conditions. Okay va? Sir, step number 3 ல நமக்கு ஒரு equation வந்துரும் இல்லையா? இந்த mathematical equation solve பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் நமக்கு ஒரு equation வந்துரும்டா in terms of h and k. அந்த h பிளேஸ்ல x replace பண்ணனும், y பிளேஸ்ல k பிளேஸ்ல y replace பண்ணா நமக்கு locus equation வந்துரும்டா. Locus of whom? Locus of a point which moves in a plane. Okay va? Locus of the point which is moving in a plane, and the moving point oda locus வந்துரும். இந்த 4 steps follow பண்ணா locus of a moving point வந்துரும். எப்படி find out பண்ணனும்? இந்த 4 steps follow பண்ணி find out பண்ணனும். Okay va? By using these 4 steps, shall we do one question? Are you all ready? Touch into? Yes sir. Sir, ஒரு question பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு ஐடியா வந்துரும். Look at the board guys. Sir, first I'll tell you one simple question da pari. Sir, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி I have got the question da. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி I'll tell you one thing da. Guys, you need to take this as a note. Okay va? Whenever we get perpendicular lines, we always take product of their slopes is equal to -1. Dey namakku theriyadada dey. So whenever we get perpendicular lines, if you are getting two perpendicular lines like this, either line ரெண்டு perpendicular line வந்தா அவரோட product of the slopes is equal to -1 எடுக்கணும். This is the basic step. Yes or no? Sir, you remember Sahanaji? Which Sahanaji? I do remember 2025 Sahanaji. Are you talking about which Sahana? Yes. Okay. If in the calculation, if theta வந்துருச்சுனா what we need to do basically, இங்க பாரு, this is very very important step da. நமக்கு calculationல theta வந்துருச்சுனா cos theta or sin theta, to eliminate theta we need to add what? Square and add பண்ணனும்டா. And the theta is unnecessary variable there. Sir, Suresh sir என்ன சொன்னாரு? Step number 3 ல ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம்டா. Step number 3 ல எங்கடா இது? இங்க பாரு. Step number 3 ல eliminate the variables if any. eliminate the variables if any. Okay va, theta is some unknown variable here. அந்த theta eliminate பண்ணனும் எப்படி பண்றதுடா பாரு. sin theta cos theta வந்துருச்சுடா. அந்த theta eliminate பண்ணனும் என்ன பண்ணனும் நீங்க சொல்றா. ஓகேவா, அந்த theta sin theta cos theta ல நமக்கு ஈக்குவேஷன் இருந்தா அந்த theta eliminate பண்றதுக்காகவே நான் வந்து squaring and adding பண்ணனும். ஓகேவா, squaring and adding பண்ணா எப்படி சார் வந்துரும் பாரு. I'll just solve one question, don't worry. And now we need to use geometry அவ்வளவுதான். Use geometry means what? I'll tell you what geometry we have to use. Okay, I'll do one question பாரு. இந்த question solve பண்ணிக்கலாம் பாரு. Everybody should do this question. Takatak, fatafat, everybody should do it. If the coordinates of the variable point P be this, where theta is the parameter, find the locus of P. Okay, va? Where? Sir, the coordinates of the variable point is this, and theta is a parameter, then what is the locus of point P? Somebody is, who is this? Do you remember? Who is this guy? Oh, Chintu, who is this guy? Chalo, make it fast. Let me see how many of you are doing this. Arey, Suresh sir enna sonnada? Suresh sir enna sonnaru? The coordinates of the variable point. There's a variable point. This point is moving in a plane da. Eppadi? Listen the class. Okay va, solution pari. Let us இப்போ என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதாடா? Yes, I think you can hear me now. Sorry guys, I think mic charging got over, I think. Didn't notice. Sorry. Guys, what I was saying, sir, if the coordinates of the variable point P, a cos theta, a sin theta, where theta is a parameter, then locus of P we need to find out da. Okay va? Sir, இப்போ locus of the point find out பண்றதுக்கு Lakshanath, can you hear me now? Guys, என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? Please tell me. Please confirm. Yes, thank you. Okay, sir, we are finding the locus of this point. I'm considering the point as h comma k. Appo h na idi, k na idi. That's what I'm writing. So from equation number 1 and 2, squaring and adding da. Appadi squaring and adding na varum h square plus k square is equal to what da? A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta. You agree with my point? Sir, இப்படி பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வந்துரும்? Salute for your effort. Thank you, Madinesh. Okay, very good, sir. Here, why are we why a sin b sin theta we are writing? This is a sin theta only. This is a sin theta only. Okay, va a square. Okay, va pari h square plus k square is equal to a square common எடுத்தா நம்மளுக்கு sin square theta plus cos square theta வந்துரும்டா. சரியா? sir appo h square plus k square is equal to a square into 1. So now namalku answer endu vandiruchu final h square plus k square is equal to a square. Okay va paru namalku first we took the point as h comma k, adukapram we are finding a mathematical condition enadhi h is equal to a cos theta, k is equal to a sin theta. Ipo whenever we are included with the theta நம்மளுக்கு இப்போ கால்குலேஷன்ஸ்ல தீட்டா வந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த தீட்டா எலிமினேட் பண்றதுக்கு நீ என்ன பண்ணணும், சிம்பிள் ஸ்கொயரிங் அண்ட் ஆட் பண்ணா LHS சைடு ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணி ஆட் பண்ண இப்படி வரும், RHS சைடு ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணி ஆட் பண்ண இப்படி வந்துரும்டா. h ஸ்கொயர் plus k ஸ்கொயர் is equal to a ஸ்கொயர் into sin ஸ்கொயர் theta plus cos ஸ்கொயர் theta. இது வந்து 1. சரி இப்போ h ஸ்கொயர் plus k ஸ்கொயர் is equal to a ஸ்கொயர். ஓகேவா, h ஸ்கொயர் plus k ஸ்கொயர் is equal to a ஸ்கொயர். கண்டிப்பா this is what the step number 3. Now step number 4 என்ன, we need to replace h with x and k with y. அப்படி replace பண்ணா x square plus y square is equal to a square. சரியா, this is what our locus, this is the required locus, this is the required locus. Okay va sir, what this equation represents, the locus is what, circle. This is representing what, basically this is representing what, so therefore I can say that locus is equal to what, circle. Locus is what, basically circle. Circle whose center is 0, 0, radius is a. How is a circle? 11th பசங்களுக்கு புரியாது, because 12th students க்கு புரியும்டா, because they know what is circle equation is. ஓகேவா, 11th பசங்களுக்கு those who are done with the circle chapter அவருக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும். ஓகேவா, நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா சார்? இந்த மூவிங் பாயிண்ட் ஓட லோகஸ் என்ன, சர்க்கிள். ஹவு சார்? இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் பார்த்தா நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும்டா. இப்போ இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் என்ன, this equation is what, basically locus. This equation is representing what's the basically locus. Are you getting the point or not? Are you all understanding? 100% yes. Now sir, so one more question solve பண்ணிக்கலாமா? One more question solve பண்ணிக்கலாமா பாரு? This question solve பண்ணி பாரு. This question try பண்ணி பாரு. This question try பண்ணி பாருடா. This question பாரு. Sir, if the coordinates of the variable point is this and t is a parameter, then find the locus of p. Okay, again you need to take the point p as what, basically let us take p as what, h comma k. Let us take p as h comma k. This is equal to what, t plus 1 by t comma t minus 1 by t. Okay va, h is equal to t plus 1 by t and k is equal to what, t minus 1 by t. Okay va, yes or no? This equation number 1, this equation number 2 sir. Okay va, இப்போ t is some unknown variable here, t is some parameter பாரு, t is some parameter. அந்த t eliminate பண்றதுக்காக நான் என்ன பண்ணணும், squaring and adding பாரு, squaring and adding. அப்படி பண்ண என்ன வரும், h square left hand side is என்ன, k square and இவரோட square என்னடா, t plus 1 by t whole square plus t minus 1 by t whole square. So h square plus, okay, a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab, a square plus b square minus 2. புரியுதா நான் சொல்றது? Listen the class. இது cancel ஆயிரும்டா. Okay வா, இது cancel ஆயிருமா? Yes or no? Yes sir. Sir, now tell me here, h square plus k square is equal to t square. Sir, இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்னா பாரு, listen the class. h square plus k square, okay வா, plus t square plus t square, 2t square தானா? yes or no டா? yes or no? squaring add பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு this t is not getting subtracted. So now squaring and subtracting, let us do this. Squaring and subtracting பண்ண என்ன வரும், அப்போ this will not be cancelled. wait, squaring and subtracting is nothing but நடுவுல மைனஸ் வந்துரும்டா. நடுவுல மைனஸ் வந்துருச்சுன்னா இது மைனஸ், இது மைனஸ், இது பிளஸ். பாரு சார், a square plus b square minus 2ab, so இது மைனஸ் ஆயிடும், மைனஸ் ஆயிடும், பிளஸ் ஆயிடும். பாரு சூப்பர் அண்ணா, சூப்பர் சார். இது கேன்சல், இது கேன்சல். வா அண்ணா வா. Listen the class. Everyone. Hello. h square plus k square is equal to 4. Now h will be replaced with x and k will be replaced with what, y. Okay va. So again x square plus y square is equal to 4. This is the required locus. This is the required locus. So what is this? Locus is what? Locus is, what is the locus? What this equation represents? Again circle. This is representing circle. In the moving point would a locus in a circle. Purida? Yes or no? Yes. We always have to follow 4 steps. Da. First, required point or coordinates you need to consider as h comma k. Mathematical equation form panni you need to think, okay, enna panna namalukku t variable eliminate airum. Enna pannikala add panna t was not getting t was not getting eliminated. So now on the square and subtract panna namalukku paru h square plus k square, left side part will be as it is, right side part in a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. It is all panna namalukku idi cancel airum. Right hand side will be 4. This is solve panna namalukku in the equation vandiruchida. Okay va? X square minus very good ra, very good da. Sir, one thing you made a mistake sir. Enna mistake na x square minus y square sir. X square minus y square sir. Appo idu eppadi sir circle aidum? Idu circle agadu. Appo this will be hyperbola. What is this da? Hyperbola. What bola? Hyperbola. What bola? Hyperbola. हाँ sir, subtract पண்றப்போ left side also subtract பண்ண இல்லையா? I made a mistake. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, thank you for reminding me. Ready? Okay va, left side also we need to subtract da. Okay va, locus வந்து circle வராதுடா, hyperbola only, because we are subtracting. Correct ah? This is the hyperbola equation sir. எப்படி sir? How do you know that this hyperbola equation sir? We don't know what is hyperbola equation. How do you know that? Listen the class guys. If you study hyperbola you will understand ah. X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 form la irukum hyperbola equation. Correct ah? Arun, hi Arun. Yes. Arambiklama. Next question. Hello. Everybody should do this question da. Everybody should do this question. In the question what we have given, if the point P moves on this line, if Q order coordinates are this, R order coordinates are this, at the fixed point, then the locus of the centroid of triangle PQR. Locus of the centroid of triangle PQR we need to find out da. Locus of the centroid of the triangle PQR. First, how do we do this? This is triangle da. In the triangle or point, this is the triangle PQR. Let's say the point P. This point P da, okay. This point Q da, okay. This point R. This P will be moving on this line. This P will be moving on this line. This is the line like this. The line name is this P moves on this line. What is this line named? 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Q point enna 1 comma 4. R point enna 3 comma minus 2. P point is Q point is R point is சரியா? Yes or no? Very good sir. Very good. Sir, எனக்கு P point oda locus, P point oda coordinates தெரியாது. Yes or no da? Locus of the centroid of the triangle PQR. Sir, P point oda coordinates we don't know. Yes or no? Locus of centroid, right? Centroid oda coordinate. Whose locus we are finding? Yaroda locus I am finding da. Centroid oda locus. Suppose now on the centroid oda coordinates as h comma k edukano. P points namakku theriyadra. Let's say alpha comma beta. Okay va. Let P be alpha comma beta and G is equal to h comma k. Sir, G got coordinates y h comma k edukano. Yes sir, h comma k edukano. Are Chintu, we are finding the locus of the centroid. Whose locus you are finding? Centroid oda locus. Appo centroid oda coordinates h comma k edukano. Eppome whose locus you are finding, you need to identify that, and the point oda coordinates h comma k edukano. First step number 1 na point whose locus to be found, the coordinates of the point whose locus to be found as h comma k edukano. Yes or no? So locus we are finding of centroid. Centroid and locus I am finding now. So we need to consider the coordinates of centroid as h comma k. Very good. Right, sir? We know that centroid naina pari. Oh, centroid naina x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the centroid formula da. நீங்க straight line ல படிச்சிருப்பீங்கடா சரியா sir? Yes Sudeep ji, hi ji. Okay sir, centroid how do you find it? Centroid என்ன h comma k இது. You tell this x1 y1 sorry x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Sir next alpha plus 1 plus 3 by 3 and beta plus 4 minus 2 by 3. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதாடா? Yes or no? Sir, now h is equal to what? Alpha plus 4 by 3 comma k is equal to what? Beta plus 2 by 3. Okay va? Now locus of the centroid we need to find out, right? Sir, இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு h comma k இருக்கு, but alpha comma beta வந்து கொஞ்சம் unknown variable. அந்த unknown variable eliminate பண்ணனும். என்ன பண்ணனும் பாரு. Alpha is equal to what da? 3h minus 4 and beta is equal to what da? 3k minus 2. Va anna va. Listen the class everyone. Yes or no? Arre chintu. Alpha is equal to 3h minus 4. Beta is equal to 3k minus 2. Ha. Purida. Yes or no? Sir, I really liked your way of. Thank you Ra. Thank you Sudeep ji. Sir, alpha comma beta வந்துச்சு சார். இப்போ alpha comma beta வந்து லைனுக்கு மேல தான இருக்கு. அப்ப alpha comma beta பாயிண்ட் இந்த லைன்ல satisfy ஆயிருமா ஆகாதா? Tell me. Yes or no? Alpha comma beta will satisfy to this line. Sir, since you write like this. Since alpha comma beta lies on is equal to 0. So tell me. So 2 alpha minus 3 beta plus 4 is equal to 0. Correct or not? இப்போ alpha comma beta இதெல்லாம் substitute பண்ணனும். அவ்வளவுதான் முடிஞ்சு. Alpha comma beta. Alpha என்னடா? 2 times of alpha. Alpha is what? 3h minus 4 minus 3 into beta. Okay, why this simplify பண்ணா நமக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்துடுடா. Can you all see if I write over here 6h? Where do I write? I'll write over here. Guys, I'll make கொஞ்சம் space over here. Listen the class. I'll write the answer in this megam. Okay, sir, 6h minus 9k and minus 8 here and plus 6 here. Minus 8 plus 6 minus 8 plus 6 how much? Minus 2 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, wow. So we are replacing h with x, k with y, and we need to find out. Check. They have given up. See, this is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. X-axis oda equation nada. Y-axis. X-axis oda equation y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 oda slope na 0. Sir, now tell me here. This is parallel to x-axis. No. Slope with 2 by 3. Slope with 3 by 2. Parallel to y-axis. No. Okay, wow. Tell me, parallel to y-axis means slope it defined agad. So option B kadiyadu, D kadiyadu. Slope enna pari minus a by b. Slope enna minus 6 by 9. Minus or minus plus. So which is 2 by 3. So C for Chintu wala is the right answer. C for Chintu Baba. C for Chintu Baba. Enadi? C for Chintu Baba is the right answer. Everybody look at the board. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Arun Kumar, yes. Sudeep ji, அது already சொல்லியாச்சு ji. There was no percentile. There were marks. சரியா? போலாமா next? Shall we go forward? Shall we go forward to the next question? Very good. Sir, everybody should do this. Sir, A, B be 2 points and P be a variable point above the line AB such that area of triangle PAB is a variable, area of the triangle PAB is 10. If the locus of the point P is this, then 5A plus 2B anna. Va anna va. Do it, make it fast. Everybody should do it. Come on guys. Quick. Yes. Yes. Shall we do? Guys, this is PYQ for your information, okay? This is the JEE PYQ, okay? Are you getting the point? Which year PYQ? No, JEE 2024 PYQ. JEE 2024 PYQ. Listen the class. Sir, A, B be 2 points, P be a variable point. So P be a variable point means the triangle will be like this. In the point P oda coordinates namakku theriyadhu ℏ, let's say, and such that area of the triangle is 10. Okay, A point enada? A point வந்து -1, 1, B point வந்து 2, 3. Okay, area of the triangle they have given da. In the area of the triangle I need to find out what is the area of the triangle. Pari, in the area of the triangle na kandipidikanum da. How do you find out area of the triangle? We know that determinant of, modulus of half determinant of what da? First we need to take what da? x1 y1, x1 x2 x3, y1 y2 y3, and third column will be 1 1 1 1. I'm applying the area of the triangle formula da. So this is equal to 10 given da. Okay va, இது சால்வ் பண்ணி பாடா. இது சால்வ் பண்ணா நமக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்துரும். கரெக்ட்டா பாரு. Okay, so tell me here, இது remove the modulus and shift that side. So what I'm going to get? Tell me. இது h, இது k, இது 1, -1, இது 2, இது 1, 3 1 3 1 1. Okay va, this is equal to what? 20. Yes or no da? Plus or minus 20. Okay, sir, now h is what? Basically h 1 minus 3 minus k into opening the determinant. I hope everybody know how to open the determinant. I'm opening along with row 1. Okay va, so 1 minus 3 minus k into what? -1 minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 into what? -3 minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 20. Okay, இது simplify பண்ணா minus 2h plus 3k minus 5 is equal to plus 20. You take one time, and then minus 3h minus 2h plus 3k is equal to 25. Correct? So you tell me now. They have given ax plus by is equal to 15 da. 15 la eppadi convert panna? How do you convert as 15? Tell me. ax plus by plus, ax plus by is equal to 15 they have given. How do we convert into that form? How do we convert that into that form? I hope you can just do this now. After this is like quite simple now. Ellarku puridara? What am I doing? Did you understand or not? Tell me. A and B will be 2 points. P be a variable point above the line AB. Okay, P is basically above the line AB. So we are taking plus 20. Va Anna Va, super. Yes. Arey Sudeep ji, solve the question ji. Solve the question ji. Okay, wow. Arey, this is a very good question. Very good question. Sir, they have given this, but namalki ipdi vandiruchu sir. Eppadi sir convert pandrathu? In the formula, look at the board everyone. In the formula convert pandradhukku, what am I doing? Listen the class. I'm just multiplying with what da. So replace h with x and k with what y. Replacing h with x and k with what y. அப்படி replace பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன வந்துரும் பாரு, minus 2x. but எனக்கு இது வேணும், ax plus by is equal to 15 வேணும். 15 வேணும்னா multiplying with what? Multiplying with 3 by 5 on both sides. So multiply 3 by 5 minus 6 by 5x. Okay, wow. So 9 by 5y is equal to what? 3 by 5 into 25. How much? 15. Yes, sir. Sir, உனக்கு எப்படி ஐடியா வந்துருச்சு? 3 by 5 கிட்ட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண உனக்கு எப்படி ஐடியா வந்துருச்சுனா, we need to make the right hand side part as 15. So 25 into x is equal to 15. So அப்போ என்ன 3 by 5 தான் நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். If you multiply 3 by 5 only, you will get 15. அப்போ compare with this. Compare பண்ணா what is a value, b value? Tell me. Sir, a value வந்து minus 6 by 5. b value வந்து 9 by 5. So a value, b value வந்துருச்சுனா, everybody look at the board. A value, b value வந்துருச்சுனா, what is that answer? Now look at the board. 5 times of a na minus 6 by 5 plus b na 9 by 5. Sir, minus 30 plus 18 by 5. So minus 12 by 5. Minus 12 by 5. So D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Purida. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Sudeep ji, nariya questions practice parano Sudeep ji. Okay, wow. Listen the class. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? Yes or no? Absolutely yes. Okay, so D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Next question. This is one more beautiful question, 2024 JEE question again. So the locus of the point P whose distances are from the point this and this are in the ratio this is equal to this. Guys, this is a very simple question. Nothing. Zuzubi. This is like Zuzubi question. Zuzubi nana sir. Simple question. Chintu. Make it fast. Locus of the point whose distances from the point this and this are in the ratio 5:4. Let us say this point. Let us take this point. Let the point P be h comma k. Okay, wow. In the point one we are taking as h comma k da. In the point landu there is a point called A. In the name and the A, let us take this as A. It is 2, 1. There is another point called B. 1, 3. They have given that ratio of PA by PB they have given da. How much given da? 5 by 4 given da. That's it. This is what given. Check. In the point P or the distance from A point and B point ratio and 5:4. Point P to A or the distance na. How much the distance for you? H minus 2 whole square. Okay, wow. Plus K minus 1 whole square divided by PB. PB nana. H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 3 whole square. No. Make it fast. How do we do this? Squaring on both sides, Chinto. Squaring on both sides. How do we do this? Squaring on both sides panna eppadi varum paru. H minus 2 whole square plus K minus 1 whole square divided by H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 3 whole square is equal to 25 by 16. Correct or not? Tell me. Cross multiply panna namalukku oru second degree equation vandoda eppadi. Hi Nicholas. Hi Nicholas. How are you Nicholas? Look at the board. Okay, these two distances are equal, so I am taking like this. Okay, boss. Cross multiply this. 16 times of what? A square plus B square minus 4H. Correct or not? Plus A square plus B square minus 2K. Wa anna wa. 25 times of what? A square plus B square minus 2H plus A square plus B square minus 6K. Correct or not? Aditya, practice pananu. I can understand the concept, but I don't know how to approach. Aditya, nariya question practice pananu. Sriniketan. This distance is in the ratio of 5:4. Pari. Distance is just cross multiply, you will get the answer. That's it now. Purida. Simplify this. Very good. Pari. Sir, 16H square plus 64 minus 64H plus 16K square minus 32K plus 25 9 is 225 minus 25 6 150. Correct or not? Oh, here you mean here this ratio. Okay, these distances are not, you mean here. The ratios in the PA by PB they have given. In fact, they are not equal. Yes, I shouldn't have put that. Yes, you are right, Rachinto. So tell me here, 25 minus 16, how much? 9H square and plus 9K square. Now tell me here, minus 64H and minus 50H. How much? Plus 16H. 16, 14H ready. 14H. Next, K term ingirikida. K ingirikida. Ingirika pare. Minus 150. So 32 means what? 118. 118. Minus 118. Minus 118 K. Va anna va. 25 plus 2, 25. 250. 250 lende 64 subtract parano. So then napo enna 170. 170 ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋಡ 250 minus 64 but 116 missing na here 116 is missing here. Yes, 174 was 171 because of 60 pari. Sir, here 4 plus 1 50. So 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus. So 4 plus 1 5. 5 into 16 80 sir. Correct or not? Now correct. 250 and 80 by 170. Yes, matching. 250 minus 80 pari. Yes or no? 170. So plus 170 is equal to 0. Here 170 they have given 1. We need to bring 170 da kandipa. Yes or no? Sir, replace h with x and k with y. Sir, 9x square plus 9y square plus 14x minus 118y plus 170 is equal to 0. Compare with that. What is a value? 9. B value na 9. X is what basically d. D is 14. E is minus 118. 170 is as it is. X y term they have not given. They are asking us to find a square plus b square, right? Okay, a square plus b square. A square plus 2b plus 3c plus 9 square is 81. 2b 18 plus 3c. C value nada. C is xy term, right? Xy term we don't have. Xy term we don't have. So C value 0 here. Correct or not? C value 0 and C is 0 basically. 3C is 0 plus 4 into D. D na 14 plus E minus 118. This simplify panna namalke na vandu paru 99 plus 56. 99 plus 56. 5. 155. Correct or not? 155, 118. 7. Unit digit is 7. Unit digit is 7. 27. Correct or not? 20, 30, not 27, 37. Yes or no? 37 should be the right answer. 37. B for, I mean A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Pari. Everyone. This, oh wait. This solve panna namalku 37 vanduda. Konjam lengthy calculation but kandipa pannanu. Any doubts? Any doubt Rachinto? This is how we do locus questions. Calculate this. There is nothing that conceptual. There is nothing like conceptually. It's very strong. It's a Zuzubi question. Conceptually, chintu question. Okay, va calculation da konjam neat ah pannanu, patience ah pannanu. Patient ah calculate panna namalku answer vandrum pari. Any doubts? Very good question, sir. Next question polama. Very good question pari. Another question, guys. Another question pari. One JEE 2017 question. JEE 2017 question. Make it fast. Quick. This is a beautiful question. This is what? Beautiful question. What is this da? Va anna va mari question. Okay, va. Right? Sir, the vertices of a variable triangle are this and this. Then the locus of the orthocenter. They are asking us to find the locus of the orthocenter. Sir, there is one variable triangle. Let me draw the triangle like this. In the triangle vertex enada 3, 4. B vertex ena 5 cos theta 5 sin theta. What is C? 5 sin theta minus 5 cos theta. Sariya. So we need to find out what the locus of the orthocenter. Orthocenter we need to find out. Sir, whenever we find out orthocenter or centroid or incenter or circumcenter, whenever we are finding this, Suresh sir or logic sonar, enna logic da? We always have to check the nature of the triangle. Nature of the triangle find out pannu. I mean nature of the triangle check pannu. Nature of the triangle find out பண்றதுக்கு நமக்கு ஒரே ஒரு vertex இருக்குடா. B vertex C vertex தெரியாது. அப்போ nature of the triangle எப்படி சார் check பண்ணனும்னா nature, either you need to check the nature of the triangle or find out the distance of all the three vertices of a triangle from the origin. Find out பண்ணனும். என்னது origin ஓட distance, I mean vertex ஓட distances from the origin find out பண்ணனும். புரியுதா? Let's say I am finding the distance of the point A from the origin, distance of point B from the origin, distance of point C from the origin. அப்படி பண்ணா ஏன் சார் அட்வான்டேஜ்னா பாரு. Look at the board everyone. Guys, OA find out பண்ணி பாரு. OA, OB, OA, OB, OC பாரு. OA means what? 0, 0 to 3, so square root of 25, which is 5. Check. அரே origin ல இருந்து point A ஓட distance ஏன் அப்படி find out பண்ணனும்? I'll tell you, wait. Those who have watched straight lines JEE Vaathi part 3 or part 4, part 3 I think, part 3 I have done, not part 3, part 4 I think, part 3 or part 4 I just have taught you this. First, whenever you find out orthocenter or circumcenter, incenter or centroid, nature of the triangle check பண்ணனும். Nature of the triangle check பண்ண முடியும் எப்போடா? Whenever I have 3 coordinates, but B coordinate and B point and C point பாரு. B point and C point they have given in terms of what? Theta. Sir, then I have a kunjam problem here to find out this. Listen the class. This B point. This B point. This C point. நல்லா இருக்கு. Okay. This B point, C point. Super sir. இப்போ nature of the triangle find out பண்ண தெரியாது. அப்போ then கண்டிப்பா origin ல இருந்து all the three vertices ஓட distance find out பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? OB. OB means what? OB means what? OB means what? 25 cos square theta plus 25 sin square theta. 25 common edutha sin square theta plus cos square theta. Super na, super. So idan na 5 basically. OB is 5. OB is what basically? 5. OC is also 5 only. Check. Are you clear? Everyone look at the board clearly. OA, OB, OC, everybody is equal here. OA, OB, OC or everybody is equal. OA is 5, OB is 5, OC is also 5. All the distances are equal. From where? From origin lande all the three vertices oda distance equal. Appo origin enna aganu? Origin is the only point which will be an equal distance from all the three vertices. Origin is the only point which is an equal distance from vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Appo origin enna aganu? Origin must be a circumcenter. Origin must be what? A circumcenter. So origin must be circumcenter. Nalla theriyuma theriyadare chintu, very important. Circumcenter is the only point which will be in an equal distance from all the three vertices. Suresh sir or property teach pannarda. How many of you know this property da? Tell me. Circumcenter is the only point which will be in an equal distance from all the three vertices. Theriyuma? 100% yes sir. So definitely nanga paru. So since OA is equal to OB is equal to OC, here O should be what? Circumcenter. O should be what? O 0, 0 should be what? Circumcenter. Very good sir. But we know one thing. What we know? We know that Honorable Governor. Sir, what do you mean by Honorable Governor? Suresh sir or trick sonnarda. Centroid will divide the line segment of orthocenter and circumcenter in a 2:1 ratio. Super na, super sir. Inga pari. Idu 2:1 ratio. Appo centroid enna pari. Centroid enna 3 plus 5 cos theta plus 5 sin theta. Guys, I'll write the centroid over here. Listen to the class. This is origin obviously. Centroid is what? 3 plus 5 cos theta. We are finding what? Locus of yarda. Locus of orthocenter we are finding. Locus of orthocenter I'm finding. So this h comma k. This O enna 0 comma 0. O already 0 comma 0 vandiruchu. G theriyumda. Can't you find out G from this? G enna tell me. 3 plus 5 cos theta plus 5 sin theta divided by 3. 4 plus 5 sin theta plus minus 5 cos theta by 3. Centered formula na x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 ra chintu. Yes or no? Easy. Centroid vandiruchra. Centroid basically divide this. So now what am I doing? Listen to the class. Now I am going to apply internal sectional formula. Sectional formula. Internal division formula I am applying. Internal division formula. Internal division mx2. Listen to the class. What is this da? Is a G over coordinates. Tell me. 3 plus, everybody listen to the class. 3 plus 5 cos theta plus 5 sin theta by 3. Okay, wow. This is equal to what da? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Either point. Next y coordinate and tell me. 4 plus 5 sin theta minus 5 cos theta divided by what? M plus n is equal to what? M by 2 plus n by 1. M by 2 plus n by 1 divided by m plus n. Okay, wow. Now I'm gonna find out a relation between h and k from this. Inga bari 3 ushkak 3 ushkak. Any doubts? Sir, h is equal to this, k is equal to this. Next slide I'll write. Look at the board. H is equal to 3 5 cos 5 sin, right? 5 cos theta plus 5 sin theta. So 5 cos theta plus 5 sin theta is equal to h minus 3. Next, inga bari. K minus 4 is equal to 5 sin 5 cos. 5 sin 5 cos, right? Sir, k is equal to 4 plus 5 sin 5 cos. 4 plus 5 sin minus 5 cos. 5 sin minus 5 cos. Sir, k minus 4 is equal to 5 sin theta minus 5 cos theta. Okay, wow. This is equation number 1 da. That's it. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, sir. Okay, well, number option option x plus y minus 7, x plus y minus 7, x plus y minus 7, x plus y minus 1 vandra. I mean x plus y minus 1 they have given. Sir, these are the options. Ipo இந்த options எப்படி வந்துருடா பாரு. எப்படி வந்துரும் பாரு. இப்போ 1 and 2 ஆட் பண்ண என்ன வரும் பாரு. 1 plus 2 பண்ண என்ன வரும். 1 plus 2 பண்ண என்ன அப்புறம் h plus k minus 7. சார் உனக்கு எப்படி சார் ஐடியா வந்துருச்சுனா சார் உங்களுக்கு ஐடியா எப்படி வந்துருச்சுனா பாரு. LHS I mean LHS இந்த you can say this LHS add பண்ணா h plus k minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. பாரு நமக்கு இப்போ h replacing with x means x plus y minus 7 தான வந்துரும். Yes or no? Is equal to what? Is equal to what? 5 cos theta cancel ஆயிரும்டா. 5 cos theta cancel ஆயிரும். 5 so 10 sin theta will come here. 1 plus 2 add பண்ணா 5 cos minus 5 cos cancel ஆயிரும். So 5 sin 10 sin. Sir, 1 minus 2 பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும். 1 minus 2 பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும் பாரு. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 பண்ணா நமக்கு that's it. I think we get the answer. That's it. 1 minus 2 பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும் பாரு. 1 minus 2 பண்ணா 1 minus 2, right? h minus k plus 1. இது minus இது பண்ணா நமக்கு plus 1 is equal to what? இது minus இது so 10 sin, so 10 cos. புரியுதா? 5 sin cancel subtract பண்ணா. புரியுதாடா? Any doubts? Any doubts ra Chintu? Tell me quickly, you should tell me. We got this. Minus panna cos 1 techira. Okay, wow. Very good, sir. Very good. We got the answer. That's it. But actually, number of answer is not this. Number of answer is this. Square of this plus square of this equal 100 irukida. Appo 100 venna paranu. So let us say this is third equation. This is fourth equation. Ipo now equation number 3 square and equation number 4 square panna enna varunda paru. H plus k minus 7 whole square plus 100 times of sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, wow. Replace h with x and k with y. Purida x plus y minus 7 whole square plus x minus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 100 into 1, which is 100. Puridara Chintu. Tell me that Chintu. Yes, sir. This is the answer. Tell me, which option is correct? I think D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. This is wonderful question. Va Anna Va Mari question. Oh my God question. Sir, what happened, sir? This is a very good question. There is so many things to think. Basically, origin is the point which is in an equal distance from all the three vertices. So origin has to be the circumcenter. I know this honorable governor formula. Centroid will divide orthocenter and circumcenter. I mean, centroid will divide a line segment joining orthocenter and circumcenter in 2:1 ratio. Centroid find out panna idu vandiruchira. Okay va. Appo centroid x coordinate will be what? M x2 plus n x1 by m plus n. Okay va. Y coordinate is equal to what? M y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Appo I got a relation between sin and cos like this. 1 and 2 equations I got. 1 plus 2 panna idu vandiruchira. 1 minus 2 panna fourth equation vandiruchira. 3 square plus 4 square panna namalku we are getting this. Tell me. Purida, super ah. Va na va. Listen. Okay, guys. Everybody should do this question. O and A be two fixed point, then the locus of the point P such that the perimeter of, very good drop, perimeter O 0, 0, A 0, 1 be two fixed point, then the locus of the perimeter of the point. Triangle AOP, the triangle AOP we need to find out. We need to find out perimeter. The perimeter means what? Sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. Sir, AOP. AOP. Okay, why 0, 0. It is 0, 1. Okay, wow. Point P in such a way that we need to find out what? We need to find out the locus of point P. We don't know the point P. I'm taking it as h, k. Yes, sir. Rushwant Ruchu Babu. Rushwant Ruchu, yes. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Triangle AOP. Okay. Perimeter of the triangle, what they have given? The perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter given, right? Perimeter is equal to 4. Perimeter means what? AO plus OP plus AO plus OP plus PA is equal to 4. Are you getting the point or not? 100% yes. Perimeter means what? Sum of all the sides. In the side plus in the side plus in the side. Okay, wow. That's it. We just need to find out that's the locus of the point P. Yes. Tell me, AO means what? AO means what basically? 0 minus 0 whole square. So is 1 directly. AO side and 1 then 0 minus 0 whole square. 1 minus 0 whole square is 1. Sir, OP square. OP square means what? OP square means square root of h square plus k square. PA square. PA square means what? PA square means what? H square plus k minus 1 whole square is equal to 4. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Now just we need to just do squaring on both sides and find out the locus. Squaring on both sides find out panni, locus find out pannu. Simple. Will you be able to answer this? Will you be able to answer this or not, guys? Huh? So after the simple, replace h with x and y with k with y. Otherwise, simplify and then replace. First, let me take this as what? H square plus k square as it is equal to what? I am just doing 4 minus 1 is 3. I am shifting this guy this side. 4 minus this. Yes or no? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So h square plus k square. A square plus b square. Minus 2ab. Okay, wow. Yes or no? Super sir. H square plus k square 9 plus a square plus b square minus 2k minus 6 times of what? 6 times of what? H square plus k minus 1 whole square. Sir, if you correct terms will get cancelled. This is cancelled. Sir, now what I left with? Tell me. What I left with? Left hand side 0. 9 plus 1 10 minus 2k. Okay. And this minus times of minus 6 times of this I am shifting to the left hand side. Other left hand side shift panna ipdi vandruda. Yes or no? Ha. Tell me. I can take 2 common on both sides. I can take 2 common on both sides. Pari. I'm just taking 2 common on both sides. 2 common at the 3 times of this. 5 minus k. 5 minus k. Squaring on both sides. Panna squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides again. Again squaring on both sides. Panna I'm gonna do the calculation somewhere here, Pari. I'm gonna do the calculation somewhere here, guys. I think I should have done over here anyway. Look at the board. What am I getting here? 3 times of square root of h square plus k minus 1 whole square is equal to what? 5 minus k. 5 minus k. Squaring on both sides panna. Squaring on both sides panna. 9 times of what? Is equal to a square plus b square minus 10k. Sir, 9 h square 9h square plus 8k square minus 18k minus 8k. 9 means minus 16 is equal to 0. Correct or not, Dapari? Sir, 9 plus minus minus. So 9x square. Replace h with x, k with y. H with x, k with y. So 9x square plus 8y square minus 8y minus 16. So B for balle balle is the right answer. B for balle balle is the right answer. Tell me. B for balle balle is the right answer. Answer is not given for B for balle balle. Okay, wow. B for balle balle is the right answer. Easy, yeah. Easy, then. We just need to find out the perimeter. AO plus OP plus PA is equal to 4 given. Distances and squaring on both sides. Simple calculation. Very simple. Guys, yes, this is the homework for you all. One last question. Okay, wow. In the homework question, please try this as a homework. Very good question. So, yes, hope you all enjoyed the session. Hope you all enjoyed the session. And this is also a homework question to you all. This is also homework. This is also homework. homework. Cool. Yes, hope you understood locus nana. Basically, let me summarize everything. What did we discuss? Locus nana. Locus is basically tracing the path of a moving point in a plane. ஒரு பிளேன்ல மூவிங் பாயிண்ட் ஓட பாத் ட்ரேஸ் பண்றது இது என்ன லோக்கஸ் தான். ஆர் யூ கெட்டிங் த பாயிண்ட்? the moving point ஓட path trace பண்ணா அது locus ஆயிரும்டா. அந்த locus can be straight line, circles, circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. So locus of any point find out பண்றதுக்கு நம்மளுக்கு main of 4 points follow பண்ணணும். And the first point என்ன h, k. You need to assume the point as what? h, k. Point number 2 na you need to write the mathematical condition in terms of h and k. And point number 3 na நீங்க வந்து variables, if you have any other like unknown variables, I mean unnecessary variables, theta o, t o, alpha o, beta o, அந்த மாதிரி unnecessary variables இருந்தா அது eliminate பண்ணணும். அது எப்படி eliminate பண்றது? We have discussed it. And last step la you need to replace h with x, k with y. So இதுதான் we discussed. And that's it for today guys. We'll meet you guys in the next class. Until then, tada bye bye, good night, have a nice day, love you all my dear chintos. Wa anna wa. Sir, I'm back again. Last but not least, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. This is very important, Chintu. This is a small gift I could ever expect from my Chintos. Please do subscribe the channel. Please do subscribe and share with your friends so that they also can get benefit out of this free content. And yeah, see you guys in next class. In the next class, we are gonna start with circles chapter. Circles. Next will be circles. Okay, people. Okay then. Bye bye. See you.